Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get speed ups in Last War. In this video, we'll show you how to get speed ups in Last War. Speed ups are extremely useful since they help you finish building, training, and research much faster. The first and fastest way to get them is through the in-game mall, where you find various bundles, some offering up to 180 pieces of 5-minute boost. If you're not spending real money, don't worry. Free players can still earn gems from events and use them in stores to buy speed ups directly. You can also earn them from limited time events. Just focus on those that match your activities, like building or training. Active alliances are another great source since members often receive free gifts that can include speed ups. Finally, daily missions. Activity chests and campaign stages also reward them regularly. So stay active, join events, and take advantage of alliance rewards to keep collecting speed ups in Last War. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.